Hi guys, so let us continue that fourth class on LCD. So last time we have done I think 30 problems, up to 30 problems. So it is 31st. Let pi by 3 is less than capital A is less than pi by 2. So angle A lies between pi by 3 and pi by 2. Then and also function f of x is defined like this: limit n tends to infinity ax square sin a minus sin cube a minus 5x minus b into modulus of sin a minus sin cube a to the power n. X belongs to q for rational numbers. Denominator sin a minus sin cube a minus modulus of sin a minus sin cube a. Another case limit n tends to infinity ax square, same as above but write plus here. Sin a plus sin cube a, I would write it, remaining all same. Where there is minus, write plus, except 5x minus b. It is for x does not belong to q, so not rational. For rational it is the function, and f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Then find the value of b minus a. So try to solve it. Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 less than a less than pi by 2 is given. No, pi by 3 kada? What is given there? Pi by 3 is less than a is less than pi by 2. Then apply sin pi by 3, root 3 by 2 less than sin a is less than 1. And also cubing means cubing throughout. 3 root 3 by 8 sin cube a is less than 1. Therefore sin a minus, subtract these two, sin a minus sin cube a is less than 1. Is it right? I mean fraction it is 0 to less than 1, 0 to 1, and if you add them, these two, if you add these two, sin a plus sin cube a is more than 1. Clear? If you subtract these two, we are getting the value lies between 0 to 1. Is it clear? Anyway, if you raise the power for fraction, the value is less than the sin a. X cube is less than x whenever x is a fraction, 0 to 1. But if you add these two, we are getting more than 1. Right? So now look at this. Less than 1, 0, less than 1, power infinity will be 0. Correct or not? Fraction power infinity will be 0. So same logic we are going to apply now. So how the function reduces? Therefore f of x is equal to this part is 0. Anyway, modulus is okay, positive only, but it is fraction power infinity is 0. So we are getting limit n tends to infinity ax square sin a minus sin cube a by sin a minus sin cube a. Second part is 0. No need to write this one no need to write. Power n it is power n. Okay, now go for cancellation, apply limit, we are getting ax square only. Similarly, tell me what is the second case. It is for x belongs to rational numbers. Limit n goes to infinity. Now tell me, it is more than 1 power infinity is infinity. Therefore what to do? In this second case, you take out common this one, sin a mod sin a plus sin cube a, power n should be taken out. Then we are getting only 5x minus b. Understood or not? Because we are getting this part in the denominator. So I am getting by infinity. Hope that you got it. So we are having only 5x minus b. Understood or not? 5x minus b. X does not belong to q. Understood? Once again I am explaining. In the second case, it is more than 1. More than 1 power infinity. If you raise the power to the more than 1, then value will be increasing. 2 square, 2 cube, like that. At that time, what to do? You take out common this both these, power n. Then I am getting this part in the denominator. So something by infinity I am getting. So this part is 0. Only we are having 5x minus b. Right? So finally we are getting function is equal to ax square 5x minus b. X belongs to q. X does not belong to q. Already done. This model has some Dirichlet's function. It is continuous. Therefore, what to do at that time? Compulsory ax square is equal to 5x minus b at x is equal to 2 comma 3, because what is given there, this function is continuous at 2 and 3 only. So you should equate both these two. Okay, LHL and RHL, like that. And also roots must be 2 comma 3. Understood? Therefore ax square minus 5x plus b is equal to 0. Then find the value of a and b. What are the roots here? 2 comma 3. So alpha plus beta means 2 plus 3. Alpha into beta is 6. So what is alpha plus beta? 5 by a. Here 5 is equal to 5 by a, because sum of the roots 5. Understood? Again multiply. Product of the roots is b by a. Here a is 1. Alpha beta is b by a. And also 6 it is. Okay. 6 is equal to b by a. A already 1. So b is equal to 6. So what is the final answer? Finally, b minus a is equal to 5. Okay. Whenever they give like this rational number and irrational number, two cases where the function is continuous, means just equate both. Same as this x belongs to q. Suppose it is minus x belongs to q. Where it is continuous means simply equate both. Then I am getting x is equal to minus x, 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So only x equal to 0 will make continuous. Otherwise, any other number is discontinuous. Understood? Suppose it is given 1 minus 1. X belongs to q, x does not belong to q. It is called actually Dirichlet's function. So it is impossible. It is always discontinuous, because 1 is equal to minus 1, impossible. So nowhere it is continuous. But here possibility is there. Hope that you got it. Okay, 32nd problem. F of x is equal to ln of 1 plus 2x by x. Whenever x lies between minus 1 by 2 to 0, at x equal to 0, 2 cos x. 0 to 1 means e power 2x minus 1 by x. X more than or equal to 1 means e square minus 1. So what to check there? At x equal to 0 and 1, we have to check the continuity and differentiability. At x, because change points are 0. 0 is one change point, 1 is another change point. We have to check it. So what is f0 minus? Directly I am doing f0 minus. So this one, this part. Limit, how to write it? f0 minus means left-handed limit, ln of 1 plus 2x by x. So e square you can write directly. What is that? If you take this to the power, I am getting ln of like this 1 plus 2x power 1 by x. No need to do LH rule, otherwise you can do LH rule, no problem, but it is actually shortcut formula. Okay, now if there is 1 by x like this, you can take this 1 by x to the power. So it is nothing but ln of e square. Ln of e square means 2, because this limit is e square. Next one, f0 plus. Hope that you got it, because it is easy only comparing with previous problems. f0 plus means what? f0 is also 2, because at x equal to 0 it is. f0 plus, tell me, it is also standard limit. f0 plus is the limit x tends to 0 plus e power 2x minus 1 by x. So it is also, what is this? 2 only, otherwise multiply and divide by 2 like this. So this part is 1 by standard limits. So 2 is equal to f of 0. Therefore, what is the condition here? F is continuous at x is equal to 0. It is one option actually, multi-correct. Option A it is. Similarly, you do 1 plus also, f1 plus and f1 minus. f1 minus means what? Limit x tends to 1 minus. What is the function to be taken here? Less than 1 means this only, e power 2x minus 1 by x. Apply 1 now, e square minus 1 will get. What about f1? f1 also e square minus 1. f1 plus also e square minus 1, because it is constant. So it is also continuous at 1. Another option it is, f is continuous at x is equal to 1. It is option B. Now differentiation, derivative you have to see there. Derivative at 0. Derivative at 0. Directly I can go for derivative. Whenever it is continuous, I can check like this. Otherwise, f dash 0 plus left hand and right hand derivative, I can do it. That is your wish. So f dash x, tell me ma. But u by v rule, I have to do it. U by v rule. Or f dash, 1 minute. F dash 0 minus, tell me. What is the definition? Limit x tends to 0, f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. It is the first principle, correct or not? So what is the function for left hand side of 0? This only. Ln of 1 plus 2x by x. What is f of 0? Just now we have done, f of 0 is 2. Okay, minus 2 by x minus 0, x only. So limit x tends to 0 minus, if you take LCM, ln of 1 plus 2x minus 2x by x square. Apply limit here, I am getting ln 1, 0 by 0 I am getting. So apply LH rule. Or expansions also you can use it. So 1 by 1 plus 2x into 2. Chain rule, minus 2 by 2x. Again I am getting 0 by 0. Again apply LH rule. So f dash 0 minus, right? F dash 0 minus is, it is 1 by x form, minus 1 by x square. Limit x tends to 0 minus 1 by, tell me derivative of 1 by x, minus 1 by x square into 2. Again derivative of 2x is 2. So apply limit here, we are getting minus 2 by 1. So minus 2 we are getting. F dash 0 minus. What about this one? What is the derivative? Minus 2 sin x, 0 I are getting. Exactly at 0, f dash x is minus 2 sin x, substitute 0, we are getting 0. So unequal, f dash 0, otherwise f dash 0 plus also have to see actually, because it is, there is no use of f dash 0, because for right hand derivative and left hand derivative means 0 minus 0 plus. Again we apply f dash 0 plus here. Okay. you will be getting different value. You do it. F dash 0 plus. Directly I am writing now. You try. F dash 0 plus will be equal to 2. Therefore, f of x is not derivable at x is equal to 0. It is the another option. This is also correct. So options A, B, C are correct. Okay, option D is f is a differentiable given at x equal to 0. That is not correct. Okay, next one, 33rd, f of x is equal to 5x plus 1 for x less than or equal to 2. Next one is the integral 0 to x 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t dt for x more than 2. Then which of the following is not correct? Multi-correct only, more than 1. So try to solve it. F of x is equal to, how to break it? First one no problem, 5x plus 1 only. Whenever x is less than or equal to 2. Okay, but what about second one? 5, okay, 5 we can integrate easily, but 1 minus t is there. X is more than 2, limits are 0 to x. So I have to break here at 1 because here change point is 1 for t. What is the meaning of change point or breaking point? Where the mod is 0, that is called change point. So let me write like this: 0 to 1, 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t dt. Again tell me another piece. 1 to x. 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t dt. Here t lies between 0 to 1 dt it is. 1 minute. Okay. T lies between 0 to 2. Sorry, 0 to 1. X more than or equal to more than 2 it is. Okay. X anyway more than 2. But here t lies between, tell me, 0 to 1 because the lower limit and upper limit are 0 to 1. So for example, you can take it 0.9 or 0 point something. So it should be negative. Negative or positive? Sorry, positive only because 1 minus point something. So how to write it? 5x plus 1 is x less than or equal to 2. Here 1 minus 2 only. So 1 minus t means 6 minus t, I'll write 0 to 1, 6 minus t dt plus tell me 1 to x more than 1. T is more than 1 means 1 minus some 1 point something. It is negative. So if you remove modulus, you are getting t minus 1. So finally we are getting 4 plus t. Understood or not? Once again I am explaining here. 0 to 1 means 1 minus t is negative. Sorry, 1 minus t is positive. 1 minus 2 positive means I can write only 1 minus t. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 minus t. 1 to x means t is more than 1. T is more than 1 means it is negative. Inside the modulus function is negative. So at that time t minus 1 I'll get. Same as this one, mod x is equal to x whenever x is positive, minus x whenever x is less than 0. Same concept I am applying here. So it is the function. x plus 1, x less than or equal to 2. So now onwards you can integrate it now. Integrate this 6 minus t, 6t minus t square by 2, apply limits. Here 4t plus t square by 2, apply limits. So you are getting directly I am writing because that is only main point. 1 plus 4x plus x square by 2. X is more than 2. Okay, it is a function. Now onwards you can verify that which of the following is not correct. So what are the options here? F is continuous but not derivable at x is equal to 2. Substitute 2 here, then what do you get? So if you put 2 here, I am getting 11. Here also I am getting 11. So f is continuous at x equal to 2. That is correct actually. But we need wrong. So B correct. B is correct option. F is continuous. And also what about derivative? Derivative also you can do here. Like this. F dash x directly. Because it is continuous, I can apply like this 5. 4 plus x. X less than or equal to 2. X more than 2. Substitute 2 here. F dash 2 minus m left hand derivative 5. Substitute 2 here. 6. So f dash 2 minus not equal to f dash 2 plus. So f is not derivable actually. Option A is correct statement. Okay, we need wrong. That's why B. C also actually wrong. We need wrong only. F dash 3 plus you have to do it. F dash 3 plus will exist. No need to do because it is polynomial. After 2 it is some parabola. Every polynomial is continuous and differentiable. Okay, in the domain R. Here domain is after 2. So f dash 3 plus does not exist. Actually correct. But we need wrong. So D also our option. F dash 3 plus exist. Derivative exists actually, but here what is given does not exist. So wrong. Hope that you got it. Okay, another one. F maps open interval 0 to infinity to n set of natural numbers, and f of x is integer part of x square plus x plus 1 by x square plus 1. It is integer part. Again similarly 4x square plus x plus 2 by 2x square plus 1 inside the box. Next one 9x square plus x plus 3 by 3x square plus 1, so on up to nx square plus x plus n by nx square plus 1 for all where n belongs to n natural numbers. Find the limit whenever n is going towards infinity. Fx minus n by fx whole square minus n cube into n plus 2 by 4. This limit you have to find. First of all you have to find the function. Okay, f of x is equal to how to write first one, tell me. First one x square plus 1 you can take as one term. X square plus 1 by x square plus 1, tell me. We are getting 1 plus x by x square plus 1 plus, again tell me, 4x square plus 2. Look at this, 4x square plus 2 by this one 2, correct or not? 2 plus x by 2x square plus 1. First of all I am writing integer separately. Next one similarly 3 plus x by 3x square plus 1 plus so on plus so on. Last one is n plus x by nx square plus 1. So you can write outside 1, 2, 3 because the property of integer part. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n I can write. Separately I can write this one, x by x square plus 1 integer part. Again next one is x by 2x square plus 1 plus so on. Last one is x by nx square plus 1. Okay ma, so n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 0 will get all these terms will be 0. Just to think about that, because you have to find the range of this range. And also, what about this? Domain is the positive real numbers. So apply AMGM property. For example, x by x square plus 1 is equal to, how to write it? You bring x2 down, we are getting 1 by x plus 1 by x. By applying AMGM property, previously also I have done, we are getting less than 1 by 2 it is. Okay? Or equal to 1 by 2 also, no problem. But anyway, this value is 0 point something. Anyway, positive it is, because the domain is positive. So less than 1 by 2. Similarly, you are getting x by 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by x. Apply AMGM here and take reciprocal. You will be getting 1 by 2 root 2. This is also 0 point something only. So on. Last one will be 1 by 2 root n. That's why I have taken all these terms as 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So finally this function is only n into n plus 1 by 2. So what is the limit now? Limit n tends to infinity. F of x means where there is fx, you write n into n plus 1 by 2 minus n whole by fx whole square, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 minus n cube into n plus 2 by 4. Right or not? So you take LCM, you will be getting like this. Limit n tends to infinity, n square minus n plus 1 by 2 by n square by 4 will get. So 4 by 2, it is 4 by 2 is 2 only. Highest degree coefficient by highest degree coefficient. Whenever degrees are equal, we are getting this one. So answer is 2. Understood? So the main part is the integer part and also range of this. By applying AMGM, AMGM is just apply like this: x plus 1 by x by 2 is more than or equal to x into 1 by x. Okay, ma. So x plus 1 by x is more than or equal to 2. AMGM property, arithmetic mean is more than or equal to geometric mean for positive numbers. You take reciprocal, you will be getting less than 1 by 2 or less than or equal to also, no problem. Box will be 0. Understood? So one more problem we'll do in this session. Okay, only 5 problems. So again 0 by 0, we have to apply here Newton-Leibniz rule actually. We apply limit here. First of all, L is equal to limit x tends to 0. Integration of e power x is e power x only. 0 to x whole square whole by integral 0 to x e power 2x square dx. Right? So we did not do this one because denominator cannot be integrated that. So limit x tends to 0. Apply integration now. E power x, upper limit is x minus e power 0 1 whole square by denominator is e power 2x square integral between 0 to x. Now apply 0 by 0 because e power 0 1, I am getting 0 by 0 only because here also limits are 0 to 0. So apply LH rule, you will get the answer. So limit x tends to 0, derivative tell me. 2 into e power x minus 1 by, what is Newton-Leibniz rule? Upper limit derivative 1, apply upper limit. Right? Here e power x also, sorry. Power x will be there or not? 2 into, correct, chain rule, e power x. So denominator is only e power 2x square. Upper limit derivative 1, apply upper limit minus lower limit derivative 0. So if you apply limit here, 2 into 0 e power 0 1 by 1. Finally we are getting 0, right? So in the next class we can do remaining problems. Okay, bye.